Hello friends, this time we'll make the water bomb with 3D paper origami. So take a square sheet, make the diaper fold, or the triangle fold, cross it, then do the mountain fold here, unfold it, then this is the center, and put these two angles, bring them together, and press it gently. Then pick this flap and make the triangle fold here. Do the same on the left. Turn the paper and fold as before. Then on this line make a center point, try to fold it and press it softly a little bit. Then bring this vertex to the point, do the same thrice more. Turn it, then here this side you can get the flaps, not this side. So pick the flap, fold on this particular line, then again fold here the rest part, press it properly, then unfold once, and here we can get the space and we'll insert this triangle. Do the same. Then insert the last one. Now our water bomb is ready. So there is a hole in this point. Now pick it and blow it. It will look like a ball, and at the time of festival, the Holi, people can put the water and throw on someone, the colorful water, and the bomb will blast there.